guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm currently here at Dollar Tree. I need to get my mom a Mother's Day card because I'm gonna give up on finding her a gift and I am just going to be giving her money. I did go to TJ Maxx and I did try to find something cute for her, but I ended up not finding anything. For her birthday, which was recently, I got her a Michael Kors wallet. I have gifted her purses. I have gifted her shoes in the past, and at this point I just don't know what to get her anymore, so I'm just gonna give her some money and then she can get herself whatever she wants to get. So I'm here at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna get a card. Let's hope I find some because Mother's Day is tomorrow. So let's head on in and see what we can find. I also got her some balloons for Mother's Day. I hope she likes them. One says Happy Mother's Day and then the other one says I love you. Super cute. So we just got back from my mom's. We're at the store right now and my mom gave me a little gift. She got me this bracelet, but she got me this silver bracelet. Isn't it so pretty? She gave me a earring and necklace set for my birthday. It was also silver, so for Mother's Day she got me a bracelet and I love it. So now we are here at the store. We had to buy something really quickly and then we are heading home. But happy Mother's Day to all of you guys. I hope you had a wonderful Mother's Day and I'm wishing you guys a lovely day today. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys what my mom got me. So exciting. I'm gonna wear my earrings next time with my necklace so that way I can match. It's another day today. I need to clean my closet before I head out to run errands today, so let's go ahead and do that now. I am going to give myself I think 10 minutes should be good to clean my closet. So let's go ahead and get started on that. I am going to be setting my timer, so let's get started. Okay guys, so first I need to organize this work bag. So I have all my work stuff in here. I have my locker divider. I don't want to get rid of it just in case, you know, I find another job and I need one, so I'm gonna be keeping this. I have an extra charger that I had at work that I need to use. I have my makeup bag that I took or I had with me at work. It had a toothbrush, toothpaste, floss. It had a little nail kit for me to have at work just in case I needed one. I always had some type of like hair clips at work as well because I always had my hair up. They also gave me a card. This was a you know, they gave me a card. They also gave me $30 in case I wanted to get something. They said in case I wanted to get some Dunkin', so they gave me $30 and everyone wrote a little something on there, so that was super nice of my coworkers. I am gonna miss some of my coworkers, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I need to put this bag away and let's go ahead and start cleaning our closet. Let's do 10 minutes. We'll do a 10-minute timer. I love setting timers because it really doesn't take you that long to like do stuff, so it's just more like in your head. And I have my AirPods on, so I'm gonna be putting on some music so that way I don't get distracted with my phone.
The sun is shining bright like a colorful aurora. It paints the world in hues of orange and white and more. I'm gonna start packing my bag. I'm leaving all worries behind. Let's go. I need to get my own summer style back. The breeze rain, it whispers secrets of each land. The sound of the waves lapping on the beach is like a pleasant melody. Soothe my heart's troubles. Windows down with the wind in my hair, I feel so free. Oh, it's the smell of summer. My summer trip. Take me away, take me away.
Okay, you guys, closet is clean, including I swept the floors as well. I'm gonna head on to my next task. Okay, you guys, I am here at the bank. I need to deposit. I just got a pedicure and I got a manicure just so that they could take off the acrylic and fix my nails before I put on my press-ons, but I think that's gonna be my last pedicure and manicure for a while. I paid $67 plus tip, and I thought that was crazy because I didn't even have, like, you know, they didn't do too much. So that's probably gonna be my last mani and pedi for a while since I'm not working, and so I'm just gonna do my own at home since I'm gonna have time. But yeah, I am now here at the bank. I gotta stop at Walmart. Kodak doesn't have any food. I forgot to get him some food, so I'm gonna get a couple of things while I am there that we are needing, and then I am going to head home. Okay guys, I'm getting gas. Gas price is $3.92. I had a quarter of a tank, so let's see how much it uses. Let's see how much I need to get to fill up. Gas is still super expensive. Filled up with $32. That is what it used to fill up when I didn't have no gas at all. So okay guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here, but I just wanted to show you how I write everything down as I go throughout the week spending. So as you can see, I paid grocery back and I paid my mani and pedi back. So I am going to get money out of my household and Kodak and my gas envelope to pay this back. So let's just go ahead and do that now. So household, I need to get $35 out, so it's $34.57, but I'm gonna do 35. So I have 20, 31, 32. You know what, I'm just gonna put these 32 and I'm gonna leave this $50 bill here. So let's just add the 32 to our quick silver card. So let's check that off. Household. And then we have to get money out of Kodak. So, and I am planning on hopefully making new envelopes for my spending. I got tired of my old ones, my old envelopes. So Kodak 1741. Let's see, I'm gonna do 20. And I'm gonna take those $2 back out. 1, 2, since it was 1741. So let's take those $2 out, put those back in. I hate these envelopes because all of them look exactly the same with the trackers and everything. I might just make like labels. Okay, we paid that back, and then gas was 32, but I believe I only have 30 in gas, so let's just, I had set aside 30. So let's go ahead and pay that back. So all our expenses have been paid. Doop. Good job. Okay, that's going to be it. I'm going to end my vlog here, you guys. Let me know if you want me to continue making them. I think I'm going to continue making them for my own sanity, since I am home and it's something that I can pour my time into. But yeah, that is going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Uh-oh, I'm not in frame. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And hopefully I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.